Welcome everyone to our channel Overall Knowledge. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget press the bell icon button to get new video notification. Thank you. Hello, I am Krishna Chandra Rai, BTech Mechanical. Today I am sharing with you some basic knowledge on a topic. The topic is rivet. So what is rivet? A rivet is a round rod of circular cross section. It consists of two parts, head and shank. Here metal commonly used for rivet. There are mild steel, wrought iron, copper iron, aluminium alloy, etc. So the type of rivet. First, solid or rounded head rivet, blind rivet, high strength structural, steel rivet, semi-tubular rivet, Oscar rivet, drive rivet, flush rivet, and so on. After that, what is riveting? Riveting is the process of forming a rivet joint. It is a permanent mechanical fastener or joint. On installation, the rivet is placed in punch hole or drill hole, and the tail is offset or bucked, and it expands to about 1.5 times the original shaft dia, holding the rivet in place. Then the shank end is made into a rivet head by applying pressure. After the installation, the rivet get dumbbells up. The original head is called factory head, and the other deformed head is called soft head or bucktail. So, method of riveting. One is hand riveting and the other is machine riveting. Hand riveting is done by man with hammer, while machine riveting is done with the help of a machine. And the another riveting methods are hot and cold riveting. So what is difference between hot and cold riveting? For hot riveting, if its temperature goes above 1000 degrees centigrade, while the cold riveting no external heat requires. And the difference on the basis of stress on the shank. In hot riveting, the rivet is subjected to shear stress and tensile stress both, while cold riveting, the rivets subjected to shear stress only. So now discussion of some application of rivet joint. It is used where we have to avoid after thermal effect, as in case of welding. It is used for metal which have poor weldability, and it is used for heterogeneous material like asbestos, friction line and steel, and also used for aircraft structure where aluminium is used. And then advantage of rivet joint. So here I am saying the advantages of rivet joint compared to the welded joint. First, it is more reliable, and it can also be used for non-ferrous metal. And the parts assembled by riveted joint do not have any thermal effect, and its quality inspection is easy and cheap. And the most essential thing that when parts are dismantled, riveted parts have less damage compared to weld parts. And disadvantage of the riveted joint compared to the welded joints are due to whole plate become weak, labor cost is more, overall cost is riveted joint is more than the welded joint, then they have more weight than welded joint, and it riveting process create more noise. If any further question on this topic, please comment below. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you.